Hey there, fellow New Yorkers and visitors. If you're navigating the bustling streets of NYC in 2025 and want a hassle-free way to hop on the subway, you're going to love this. Apple Pay has made tapping in and out even smoother, thanks to advanced contactless tech. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Apple Pay for the NYC subway. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is set up with Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app, add your debit or credit card, and verify it with your bank's app. By 2025, you'll also see enhanced security features like biometric confirmations to keep your payments safe. Once that's done, ensure your device is running the latest iOS or watchOS update. It's crucial for compatibility with the MTA's upgraded turnstiles. Now, when you're at the subway station, head to the turnstile or OMNY reader. Hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless symbol on the reader. You'll feel a gentle vibration or hear a beep. That's your cue to authenticate. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or just your passcode to confirm the payment. It's that simple. The fare will be deducted automatically from your linked card, and you're good to go. One of the best parts about using Apple Pay in 2025 is the speed. Lines move faster, and you avoid digging for cash or cards. Plus, it's eco-friendly since it's paperless. A pro tip: keep your device charged, as low battery might prevent it from working. If you run into issues, like a faulty reader, have a backup payment method ready, or check the MTA app for real-time status. There you have it. Using Apple Pay for the NYC subway is a game-changer for 2025 commutes. It's secure, convenient, and saves you time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.